Hello, my name is Mark Pinney, and welcome to the next training here for iMarkets Live. And this training here will show you how to set up your VPS. That's your virtual private server. This is a key component to be able to have incredible trading reliability, and also to be able to take advantage of that 10-minute work week, that 2 minutes a day to check your signal. Because without a VPS, if your computer gets knocked out, or if your cable goes out, if you have a cable modem, or if your internet goes out, or if it just gets unplugged, you may not receive the trade, or you may get stuck in a trade. So what you want to do is go to the internet, and you want to go to a website called OurTeamVPS.com. That's www.OurTeamVPS.com. Now, when you go to that site, this is our Togglebox website. This is what will help you be able to configure your VPS as well as create it, and then be able to create the server after that. So what you want to do is come down here, and don't worry about this first bit here that says small, medium, or large cloud. What you want to do is take your RAM to 2048, your SAN storage to 30 gigabytes. Fast it. Make sure it's 30. There we go. The CPU cores of 1, the IP address of 1 is fine. And then you don't need to worry about any of these items down here. And what you want to do to get 50% off is type in a coupon here, 50 off. And your first month will go down to $11.58. That's how you know you have the correct deal here for your VPS. Next up, what you want to do is put in an email address. These are all fake email addresses. A password that you'll use for logon. Your name, your address. In Las Vegas, it was Las Vegas Boulevard. Right, this isn't going to be a real deal. City, Las Vegas, Nevada. Put your state in, your zip. Country, United States, or if you're in a different country, obviously put that in there. Your phone number. And always put personal on there for this, because there's different rates, different things going on. So just keep it at personal, and then you're going to click on checkout. Now, as you come through here, you'll see your order summary. Your typical monthly cost will be $23.15 a month. That's the best money you will ever spend, but it's by far and away worth it. Now, your first month is only half that, $11.58. Now, use a payment method: Visa, Amex, MasterCard, Discover. You can also use a PayPal account. You come in here with the card number. Put your card number in, put your expiration date, your code on the back. Then you come down here, agree to the terms of service, and then click on checkout. So now that we're logged into the virtual data center here, and of your Togglebox of your account, what we want to do is click on the dashboard, because what we're going to do is go to your Cloud Virtual Data Center, view and manage that process here. Click on View and Manage. And now what you're going to do is, you won't have this administrator already have one account set up. We're going to add a new one. You'll have nothing there. So what you want to do is click on Add New Server. As we add a new server, what we're going to do is we're actually going to ask, put the parameters together for Togglebox to create your actual cloud virtual server. So here we go. With that, you want to put the name in for the host name as administrator. Your operating system is going to be Windows. Your distribution or operating, what level it is, 2008. And then the actual template we have, which is great, is all configured for us for trading. That's Trader 592. We put that together with this company to make it easier. It makes it a lot simpler for us. So it's an awesome thing. And now what we've got here is your RAM is 2048. Your password is the next thing. Make sure you put in a password that has a capital letter in it, and then numbers as well. So whatever you want to put in for that. And then you've got your RAM is set up, your CPU cores 1, and then your disk space. Unfortunately, this is always a little weird. It says 29 even though I have 30. So I kind of toggle it back and forth like that, and it ends up giving me 30. And then we click on Create New Virtual Machine. Now this process takes about 45 minutes, and what will happen is you will come to the next screen and you will see that as a part of the data center, the screen will say that it's off. Or pending. I'm sorry, it's pending. So you can see my new deal here. It's pending. It's got administrator. We're ready to go. The only challenge is that we have to wait for them to build it. So we'll pause this recording. We'll come back in about 45 minutes to an hour, and they will have created our new virtual machine. So now that we've refreshed the screen, we can see, we'll do it again just so everyone sees, and then we go to our dashboard. We click on View and Manage. Now we have our new VPS set up, and what you need to write down is this number right here, this 108.161.129.6. That's your IP address. Now this is my IP address, so obviously you want to use the one that comes up on your screen after the 30 to 45 minutes of time that elapses for them to build your VPS. So now you've got your VPS built, it's ready to go. Basically what it is a window into a computer that is in Dallas on a server, a secure server. And this is where we're going to set up all your trading accounts. So now your VPS is completed. We're ready to go. The next step is how do you access your VPS? So if you're on Windows, what you want to do is go to a Start menu, be able to find the remote desktop connection. My Windows is the version where we get the fun. What you're going to do, if you have this Windows version or not, I'm not sure, but come over and click on Search. You can always search this way, and it's more like the old Windows. If you have the regular Windows, you'll have a little Start button down in your bottom left. You could do the same search. And what you want to search for is Remote Desktop Connection. And this is it right here, remote desktop connection. So when you get that, what's going to happen is you create a remote desktop connection, or your remote desktop connection program comes up. What you want to type in, it says computer. You want to put your IP address right here. Obviously, I've already typed mine, 108.161.129.6. Now, what you want to do is make sure your options are correct. You put in administrator, and you click on that there. Now click on Connect. This is where you put in the password you had. You can click on Remember My Credentials if you don't want to have to go through this every time. It's not a problem. Do that. Click OK. And now we are set up here in our brand new VPS. So as you can see, this is a screen that is Windows based 2008. And this is running on a computer down in Dallas, even though I'm sitting in Las Vegas. So what you want to do on this piece is click on Home. Right, so now you're in good shape there. Exit. And now your VPS is set up. Congratulations. Now how to get out of the VPS is you come to the top here. This is the only thing you ever click off of. And this is, you'll see your IP address next to the typical Windows stuff. What you want to do is close it out, hit OK, and now you're closed. The next video that you want to watch is setting up your trading account on a VPS. Thank you very much.